I'm Marissa Newby, Riparian Program Coordinator with the Mason Conservation District. Today we're out looking at a riparian restoration site along a stream in the middle of a private property. Planted in 2022, almost 23 acres were installed by our restoration crew, and right now we have our current crew out there doing a replant. So we have 2 crew members going through and checking each plant to see if it's alive or dead. And if it's dead, they're marking it for a replant. And we have 2 crew members that are doing that replanting with various shrubs and trees. And then we have 2 crew members coming behind them and doing plant protecting to make sure that the plant's not going to be attacked by voles or moles, our brush cutters when we come to do maintenance or anything like that. So we're out here trying to establish some buffer for salmon habitat and wildlife habitat